I gotta do me. I gotta do me. You in my way, dog. I'm saying excuse me. You in my way, dog. I am pushing. I gotta do me. You're not moving. One time I say excuse me, and then a minute if you don't move, I'm saying moving. I gotta do me. It's 2011. Word up to the whole world out there. Not only the USA, but all y'all. All y'all, like all y'all. All y'all, like all y'all. All y'all, yeah. This is for the people that do not want you to do you when they tell you can't do you. Read the Bible, chase the idol with the rifle. If you have to, they should try to clap it and you try to rob you though. And I am about to be like a slob though. I'm no cop, no in a minute like Hago, Fago, Fago, Pepsi bottle if I want to. Swallow what the motto, what the water call me don't do. Don't do it the winter with the rocker, ricker, reggae, that game, make it that and then I'm in it, I am gonna top straight A. I gotta do me, my life is like a movie. So all you haters, all across the world, if you can't join me, then I'll abuse you. You're annoying. They make money for everybody, so you know you can make that money too. Javon Hunt on Facebook, JCFeedy.com, holla at me, Soldier Boy. Hey.